All right, we got another box from Hobby Link Japan here. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy open. I just opened this top part. I haven't opened the other side yet. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. I always make sure I record these unboxings because if anything is broken here, they want to know that you took video or pictures, because apparently people lie all the time, I guess. I don't know. So anyway, let's take a look at what we got. I got some good stuff. I got some good stuff this time. All right, so one, we got some clothes. Let me turn this light on. All right, get a little more light in here. There we go. It's a lot more light. So yeah, got some clothing supplies here. So I definitely got some figures that will work. It looks like I got 2 of them. So that has 3 bags actually. Then like some little this like a little bomber jacket. This is like a little puffy coat, I think. And then like a t-shirt and some leggings. So I do have some figures that should fit that. All right. So first we got this chick. So is that Rosado, I guess? So I'll definitely be doing a review on this one. Sakiko, or is her name Sakiko? It's a 1/10 scale. 1/10, so it should be pretty big, I guess. I guess she's a little bit bigger than 1/12 scale, so that's cool. We got another statue, and here you can see the picture of what the statue is supposed to be. So it's one of those statues. So I've definitely done reviews of these types of statues already. Apparently this is after class 1/6 scale pre-painted figure. I guess maybe, obviously you see the 18 over there. So definitely we'll be doing a review of her. Let me just put this over here. Let's see. Oh, so I finally got Ozawa from My Hero, or not My Hero. Yeah, My Hero, sorry. The Regal Tech. So definitely going to do a review of that. I know he's been out for a while, but he was sitting in my storage and I had not gotten him delivered. This is another one that came out a little while ago, but it's basically Kikyo, right? From Inuyasha. But this is a pocket art figure. Tsubaki looks like it's her name. So definitely we'll be doing a review of her. Then we got all these little army girls. So these Figma little army chicks. Now, if you've seen my videos, I am collecting making the display of like these little army type figure chicks. So got them, and I will probably do a review on all 3 of them at the same time. And then this is an accessory kit for all of them, as you can see there on the back. So it's like a little accessory kit. Show that off. And then I have this here. So this is, what is this? This is what is this from Riobot? And I've always seen these and I always wanted to check them out. Military Operations Soldier Protect Emergency Aviation Drive Auto. So MOSP. Is that Mospita? Mospita, I guess, maybe, I don't know. But this thing was expensive, so hopefully this will be dope. But that's it for this unboxing. Hopefully nothing is broke in any of these boxes. It wasn't beat up. None of these boxes are beat up, so that's good. So anyway, That's it for the small unboxing. Peace.